Hello friends, in this video we shall talk about get absolute URL in Django. So this function will create a complete URL to get the details of a record in a model database. So you can create a function with name get underscore absolute URL in your model, which will help us to get the details of a record based on ID. So let us discuss how to use get underscore absolute URL in Django. So I have a project with name Django tutorial, and in this project I have already created a test1 underscore app. Let me go to models.py file, which have a model uh, articles which have some fields like title, description, and users save their articles with title and description here, and we can create an absolute function here to get the complete URL uh, or related to a article, which will get the description of a or complete information for a record in the articles model. So to get the complete record, to complete details of the record of an article, we also need another function which should be already there. So if I go to urls.py file, I have a function articles.details, and just go to definition. What it does, it accepts the ID of the article, and it get the complete details of that record, and it passes to the template. So you need to pass the ID. So what is ID? ID is the column which is automatically generated by Django, and it is the primary column, it is the primary key column. So we will use this view function to create get underscore absolute URL. Just go to models.py and just create an simple function get underscore absolute underscore URL, and within brackets self, and just return reverse. So what is reverse? Reverse can be imported from Django.urls import reverse. You need to import a reverse, and what will reverse does, it take the name of the URL and generate the URL using the name of the URL. So name of the URL is articles underscore details. Just we need to copy this, and I have already told this URL accept a ID. So in the arguments, just pass the ID within a list self dot ID. ID column is already in the database, so we need to pass the ID here. And in my site there are already some title displayed here, and this title is from the articles model, and we need to generate link here. If we click on the article, we get the complete description of that article. We will be clicking on the title, on the article title, and getting the complete description of that article. So let me go to the file which generate this article titles. So in header.html, this is simple code with generate the title of the articles. This is functioning from a context processor, which I have already told you in my previous video. So in this we have already created a simple function which get the published articles, and it return a dictionary publish underscore titles. So it is a custom context processor which we have already created in our previous tutorial. So just go to header.html. You need to do a simple setting here. just type a anchor tag here. Just type a anchor tag here and just use href here. And what we shall do, we shall use t dot get underscore absolute underscore URL. So we have already created this function in our models.py, and we are using it in our template to generate the complete URL. Okay, just having done this, just navigate to the site, and you can see that have been created, links have been created. Just click on this, you can see that complete description is generated here. So this is the use of the get underscore absolute URL. So I hope you understood this. You need to just create a function here and use a view function which will help us to get the complete detail of a record in the model database. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it.